Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add Google Map and Hostinger Websites Builder at 2026. So actually guys, as the first step you will need to open the Websites Builder, and to do that, let's say that you are just going to create a new site. So you'll need to go with the website on the left hand menu and then just click on the website list. Okay, and after that you can go with edit an existing website, or you can just click on add websites and then you choose the website builder. Okay, so actually after getting in on the website builder by Hostinger, you will need to go to the page where you want the map. Okay, so for example, we'll go with this page. All right, so now I just want you to go and click on add a section. Okay, so click here, go with add section, scroll down a little bit, and yeah, locate the map option, click it just like so, and choose the map. So for example, we'll go with that one. All right, so actually guys, you can place or replace this map as you want. So for example, you can put it on here, okay, on the top of the page, for example, right? So I'm doing that just to show you that it's possible to reposition it. All right, and to edit it, you will need just to select the map, go click on edit map and enter your address just right here. Okay, or just go ahead and pass the GPS coordinates and the map updates automatically. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.